Now, your WZDX Pinpoint Weather with Chief Meteorologist Jordan Dressman.
Got to enjoy a fair amount of sunshine this Friday afternoon across North Alabama, southern Middle Tennessee. That allowed our temperatures to warm up in most locations. Most of us finished the day in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Russellville and Moulton each saw highs this afternoon of 88 degrees. Florence, good evening. You saw a high this afternoon of 92. Huntsville International saw 90. A little cooler this afternoon across northeast Alabama. Scottsboro saw 86. Fort Payne saw 84. It says Arab and Albertville only saw highs this afternoon of 82 degrees. I find that one a little harder to believe. We are, of course, going to stay warm through the overnight. I've got a low of 72 degrees. You'll notice a few clouds across the sky. Most of us are going to stay dry, but a passing shower certainly can't be ruled out. We're going to warm up tomorrow afternoon. By the lunch hour, sitting in the low and mid 80s, 83 degrees. A fair mix of sunshine and cloud cover. It looks like we'll finish the day right around 88 or 89. Again, a few showers are possible. We'll talk more about that in just a second. Some of us could see 90 degrees, but otherwise, I think most of us are going to fall just short. Look what the Climate Prediction Center is giving us as we head to the later part of August. This is beyond the 7-day forecast, putting us at about a 60 to 70% chance of seeing below average temperatures. Keep in mind an average high for this time of year, right around 90 or 91 degrees. And you can thank that to a very large change in our weather pattern. A very large upper level trough is going to begin to develop across essentially the eastern half of the United States. That's going to bring some much cooler air in from Canada. Now, it's questionable how far south that cooler air makes it, whether it really makes it into Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, and Georgia. But regardless of that, it's still going to feel significantly better next week compared to this week, because we're also going to bring in a lot of very dry air from Canada. And that's something to look forward to, because that means by next week, Pinpoint Viper isn't going to look like this. Scattered showers and thunderstorms were once again a pretty common theme through a good majority of the afternoon and even into the evening. Now most of us are quiet. We have been picking up on a couple of very light showers across northeast Alabama, but much of that activity has since come to an end. Here's Futurecast, 8 o'clock in the morning. Again, a fair mix of sunshine and cloud cover. We'll hold on to that theme. Some of us at times talking about a mostly cloudy sky with some scattered showers certainly hanging around the forecast. I've got a cold front coming in Saturday evening. Don't pay too much attention to this cold front. Maybe it dries us out and clears us out a little by the time we get to Sunday morning, but other than that, it doesn't really do anything. A better opportunity for some scattered showers and thunderstorms move in on Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, thanks to a second cold front. Pay attention to that cold front. That's the cold front that's really going to get a jump start on that change in our weather pattern we just talked about. Let's talk about Tropical Storm Josephine. Right now, it has sustained winds of 40 miles per hour, going to continue to move to the north and to the west just a little bit. Looks like it's going to miss Puerto Rico and then eventually weaken. Not our only tropical storm. We also have Tropical Storm Kyle. Right now, sustained winds of 40 miles per hour. Poses absolutely zero threat to the continental United States. Looks like it's also going to head out to the Atlantic Ocean. Have a good look at the next 7 days. Really is a beautiful 7-day forecast. Like I said, we are drier next week. Temperatures a bit below seasonal norms in the upper 80s. Lows at night, though, dropping into the mid 60s. Connor.
Jordan, I feel like we've seen 1 or 2 named storms like every week.
Yeah, it kind of seems like it's becoming a real theme as far as this year's hurricane season is concerned.
Yeah, but at least the 80s or high 80s are becoming a theme too.
Yeah, the high 80s are at least going to be a temporary theme.
Okay, we're okay with that. Thank you, Jordan.